All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Global Search 16.3 milestone kickoff video. I'm Josh Lambert and a product manager for the Global Search team. And with me also is CZ. CZ, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, everyone. My name is CZ. I'm the engineering manager of Global Search team. I'm happy to work together with Josh to talk about the 16.3 planning.
Awesome. And with that, let's jump into it here. I'll share my screen. And here is our planning issue, which we create and go through and align on what we want to try and accomplish. So I'll cover off the features, and then CZ will take us through the maintenance, the bugs, and the rest of the items. So the first item here we have is private project support. So we've been working on a improved search engine for all of the code search uses cases within GitLab. And right now we have internal support for public projects, and we've been testing it, and we've been working on building out support for private projects. We want to go through and complete the security review. That way we can go through and index all of our own internal projects and make sure we are happy with how it's performing. And then after that, we will go ahead and start working on a couple items that we want to try and make sure we handle to get the open beta up and running. These are handling general lifecycle actions, like when the branch changes or when projects and groups move. And this way we can have a good opt-in beta for our customers and not have sort of challenges for particular lifecycle operations that may occur. But we were very excited about getting this out to all of you and having an improved code search experience, which returns more complete results more quickly. This is a key focus area for us, and we're very excited about it. As you can see, it's a key focus for us for the last couple milestones, and this one too. We're also working on a couple other items here unrelated to code search. The first is we want to go through and hide archived projects by default. Right now they are shown. This is a popular and requested feature for us, and so we are going through and adding that control. And then the last item is we are wrapping up our work to support indexing group level wikis and epics, and so that it can be found and searched from within the global search experience. And with that, I'll pass things over to CZ to take us through the maintenance, bugs, and other items.
Okay, thank you, Josh. Going to share my screen. Yeah, other than the features, we also planned some maintenance tasks and bug fixes for the coming release. A few issues that we planned. The first, we are going to work on showing the project index status in the admin UI so that we can give our admins a more intuitive feedback for the index status. Also, we have seen some of the performance issues when the data migrations run. So we're going to maybe add more checks so that if we experience some issues or high load in our cluster, we will pause the data migrations. The next one is about checks to determine whether or not we'll use advanced search. So we have received the request that in some cases that we don't enable the advanced search. The reason was like we had to check to verify how many seats we have for a particular group, and we identified maybe that check is not needed, so we are going to remove the checks. Next one, we have seen some of the flaky tests in our CI pipeline. We're also going to address those flaky tests so that to enhance our CI pipeline. In terms of the bug fixes, so there is one that's the new commits may be missing from index if users switch their default branch. We're going to address that. Another bug that we'll look into in 16.3 release is about a group authentication. Right now, users may experience an issue that if they search under a group that requires authentication, And if there are no live authentication sessions, we may not be able to render the search result. So we'll look into the solution for this issue. That's all from the maintenance bug fixes side. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, CZ. That's really exciting features for this coming, and of course, other work as well for this release. And so stay tuned for our 16.4 release as we'll talk more about what we're working on and more of our journey towards code search improvements as well. Thank you, everyone, and we'll see you then.